So September 20th, 2021 was just a regular Monday morning and went to work as normal. I actually biked there and went about my day, had a bunch of meetings, and between two meetings I went to fill a cup of coffee and inexplicably lost consciousness, hit my head so hard against the concrete floor that it fractured my skull in several places and led to an epidural hematoma. And I don't remember any of that. The last thing I remember was pouring my coffee, and then I woke up a week later at Denver Health. Paramedics got there in record time and assessed the situation immediately, realized that it was incredibly serious. The nurses, who then seconded that and then worked very carefully and very quickly for the craniotomy to save my life.
So I was working at home and I got a call from someone at WeWork who said that Jessica had been taken away in an ambulance and they didn't know where she was taken. So I actually just got in the car, started driving, called 911, spoke to a dispatcher and asked them to help me piece together where she could have been taken. And they directed me to Denver Health. I went into the emergency room. They confirmed that she was there. So she was in surgery. When she came out, I got to go see her. And she was in pretty bad shape at that point. And then she was there for 10 days after the surgery. And all of the follow-up care was amazing. I was just touched and blown away by the care that she received from every single person.
Because of the paramedics, the nurses, and then the brain surgeons, I'm here today.
So for me, really crystallized during those 10 days that Jessica was at Denver Health that they had saved her life. And that's not an understatement. The more that we spoke to the doctors, the more we came to appreciate how close we'd come to losing everything. On top of that, we saw how Denver Health serves in such an important role in the community.
Before I had this accident and was taken away and had my life saved by the Denver Health Paramedics, I didn't realize that every ambulance that I see around Denver is a Denver Health ambulance.
Yeah, every time we see an ambulance drive by, if we're in the car with our kids or if it's just either one of us alone, we remark about how they're going to save someone else's life.
From the worst can come the best if you make it so. We had to make it mean something.
When Denver Health Foundation gave us the opportunity to be a part of the challenge,
we were able to raise $100,000 from our friends and family and help contribute 2 new ambulances for Denver Health Hospital and mostly for the entire Denver community here. I am so grateful for Denver Health and for the ambulances and for the paramedics and the nurses and the doctors who saved my life.
I can't imagine a more meaningful organization to be a part of.
I'm so grateful to be here today, grateful to be able to hug our kids, grateful to be able to be with my life partner. So thank you.